Ready to level up your air fryer game? This lineup highlights the accessories that actually make cooking easier and the ones you'll want to skip. Whether you're trying to crisp, bake, or clean with less hassle, these picks will help you get the most out of every meal. All links are in the description. If you've ever wished your cooking had a magic mist button, this little sprayer is pretty close. It turns your favorite oil into a fine, even spray that lands exactly where you need it. You get better control, less mess, and less wasted oil. It works for air frying, grilling, baking, salads, pretty much anything you cook. The glass bottle is sturdy, leak-proof, and easy for you to refill and clean. Here's a simple trick to make cooking feel way smoother. This nonstick spray keeps food from clinging to your pans, so you get perfect results and super easy cleanup. Just one quick mist helps you cook without heavy butter or messy oil. It works great on skillets, baking trays, and anything you use every day. Safe ingredients, 0 calories, and a clean finish. Everything you need for stress-free cooking. If you love your air fryer but hate the cleanup, this clever silicone liner is about to be your new best friend. It sits inside your basket and catches all the crumbs, drips, and grease, so you don't have to scrub later. The flexible silicone makes it easy for you to pop food out without sticking. It works in most small and medium fryers, ovens, and microwaves. Wash it, reuse it, and keep your air fryer looking brand new with 0 effort. Here's a fun way to make perfect little treats without any fuss. These silicone molds give you 7 neat cups for egg bites, muffins, cheesecakes, whatever you're craving. The flexible design means you can push from the bottom and pop each piece out without breaking it. You can use them in your oven, air fryer, microwave, or freezer. They clean easily, hold their shape, and help you bake like a pro with almost no effort. Cooking gets a whole lot easier when you know the exact temperature in seconds. This instant read thermometer gives you fast, accurate results, so you never overcook or guess again. The screen lights up and rotates automatically, making it easy for you to read from any angle. It's waterproof, tough, and simple to use with just one button. Slip it in your pocket, and you've got a dependable kitchen helper for every meal. Sometimes you just need the temperature fast, and this little gadget does it almost instantly. The moment you place the probe in your food, it gives you a super precise reading so you know exactly when your meat is ready. The screen flips automatically, making it easy for you to see no matter how you hold it. It's fully waterproof, simple to clean, and even wakes up when you pick it up. A smart, reliable tool for any kitchen or grill. Ever tried grabbing a hot plate with a towel and instantly regretted it? This clever gripper saves your fingers every single time. It clamps onto bowls, plates, and dishes so you can lift them safely from the microwave, steamer, oven, or air fryer. The silicone tips keep a firm grip, and the handle feels comfortable in your hand. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and a simple tool that makes hot dishes way easier to handle. Hot pans don't have to mean hot hands. These mini silicone mitts slip on quickly and let you grab baking trays, plates, and pots without feeling the heat. The open mouth design fits either hand, and the textured inside gives you a steady grip, even on slippery utensils. They handle everything from boiling water to frozen dishes. Easy to wash, easy to store, and always ready when you need a quick grab-and-go heat protector. Keep your counters and tables safe in style with these colorful silicone trivets. They protect surfaces from hot pots, pans, and dishes while staying firmly in place thanks to the non-slip honeycomb design. Flexible and heat-resistant, you can also use them as spoon rests, jar openers, or coasters. Dishwasher safe and easy to hang for storage, these multi-purpose mats are a simple way to make your kitchen safer and more organized. Say goodbye to scrubbing your air fryer basket with these handy disposable liners. They fit perfectly in most 5 to 8 quart baskets and handle heat up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit without tearing. Non-stick and grease-proof, they keep food from sticking while letting air flow for crispy results. Made from food-safe, BPA-free paper, they don't change the taste of your meals. Use, toss, and enjoy easy cleanup every time you cook. Cooking for the whole family just got a lot easier. These dual basket racks turn your air fryer into a 4-level cooking station. You can crisp, bake, reheat, and dehydrate all at once, so you're not standing around waiting for batches to finish. The open design lets hot air move freely, giving you even results on every layer. And the disposable liners keep cleanup simple. Just lift, toss, and you're done. Desserts always feel fancier when you serve them right. These little porcelain cups are perfect for creme brulee, soufflés, puddings, or any tiny treat you want to bake. They handle high heat like champs, so you can move them from oven to table without worry. You'll love how they stack neatly in your cabinet and how easy they are to clean. Simple, classic, and ready for anything you want to whip up. Time to ditch the bristles that fall apart. These silicone basting brushes stay solid no matter what you're cooking. You can load them up with butter, sauce, or marinades, and they spread everything smoothly without shedding into your food. They handle scorching heat, so you can use them on a hot grill or straight out of the oven. And when you're done, just toss them in the dishwasher, and they're good as new. Small bakes deserve their own little spotlight. These mini silicone loaf pans let you whip up tiny breads, cakes, and even meatloaf without the usual sticking or scraping. The flexible design makes each loaf pop right out with barely any effort. They handle everything from freezing temps to hot ovens, giving you tons of options. And cleanup is easy since you can rinse them or toss them straight into the dishwasher. Baking gets a little more fun when your tools are this colorful. These reusable silicone cups let you make cupcakes, muffins, jellies, and mini treats without worrying about sticking. You just bake, pop them out, and the shape comes out perfect every time. They handle hot ovens, cold freezers, and everything in between. And since they're washable and reusable, you'll save money while cutting down on waste. Here's a simple tool that instantly makes your air fryer more useful. This 5-slot rack holds slices of bread upright so they toast evenly without sticking together. You can also use it for cooling fresh bakes or organizing small foods while they cook. The smooth steel design is sturdy and gentle on your air fryer basket. And since it comes ready to use, you just set it in place and start cooking. Some tools just make cooking feel smoother, and these heat-resistant tongs do exactly that. The silicone tips grip everything from tiny ingredients to heavy cuts of meat without scratching your pans. They feel steady in your hand thanks to the slip-resistant handle, and the stainless steel frame gives them real strength. When you're done, pull the lock to keep them compact and toss them in the dishwasher for an easy reset. If you want to keep your air fryer cleaner without adding extra work, these collapsible silicone liners make a big difference. They catch grease, protect the basket, and rinse clean in seconds. The raised drainage pattern pushes oil outward so heat reaches your food more evenly. When you're done, they fold flat to save space, and the side handles make lifting them out a breeze. Sturdy, heat-safe, and great for multiple appliances. They're an easy upgrade for everyday cooking. Make cleaning your air fryer almost effortless with these reusable silicone liners. They catch grease while letting hot air circulate for evenly cooked food. The special drainage system keeps oil away from your meals, so everything comes out crisp and delicious. When not in use, they fold flat for easy storage, and the side handles make lifting them out simple. Heat safe, durable, and versatile. Perfect for everyday cooking. Ever wish you could slide your air fryer around without dragging it across the counter? This heat-resistant pad makes that super easy. It absorbs the heat your appliance gives off and doubles as a smooth glide base so you can pull it forward, tuck it back, or reposition it whenever you need. It's simple to clean, cuts to fit your setup, and keeps your countertop looking fresh. If you're tired of scrubbing baked-on crumbs out of your air fryer, these disposable foil liners make life so much easier. They keep the basket spotless, hold their shape under high heat, and let you lift food out without sticking or tearing. Perfect for quick cleanup, oven use, grilling sessions, or even steaming. Just drop one in, cook, and toss it when you're done. Ever try grabbing a hot dish with a towel and instantly regret it? This heat-safe plate clip solves that problem. It grips bowls and plates securely thanks to a textured, non-slip surface, and the insulated handle keeps your hands protected. It's sturdy, easy to control, and perfect for lifting anything steaming hot from pots, steamers, or trays without the usual juggling act. Perfect for everyday kitchen use. Turn your air fryer into a mini vertical grill with this skewer rack set. The rack holds up to 30 skewers, letting hot air reach every side for perfectly cooked kebabs, wings, and drumsticks without flipping. It comes with a handy basting brush to add sauces as it cooks. Made of sturdy stainless steel, it's easy to clean and works with most air fryers, perfect for family meals or weekend cookouts. Want to cook more in your air fryer without crowding the basket? This 2-pack stainless steel set is a perfect solution. The baskets and trays let you grill, bake, or crisp multiple dishes at once, making family meals or party prep easy. They fit your oven air fryer perfectly and handle everything from meats to veggies. Durable, easy to clean, and ready for everyday use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.